Hello students, I hope all of you are good, safe and healthy. I hope all of you have seen the UMS announcement dated 20th April, right? In this announcement, it has been stated clearly that the students who are supposed to do summer internship in the year 2021, they have been given with 4 options due to this pandemic situation, right? These 4 options has been given. The option 1 is the usual option which every year the student opts, is that you find an internship with a company where your physical presence would be required in the company. You will go to the company, work for required number of hours and then come back your home places. Second option is summer internship with industry, but here the difference from the first option is you will be working from home. The company will give you some task on regular basis, might be daily, might be hourly. You will complete those tasks, send the data files and other things to the company by mails or other things. Like some companies can give you calling data, that you have to call these customers, fix the appointment online, right? Or they give you the data analysis part, whatever your job profile role require, so they give you that work. Now in both the option 1 and option 2, we have already shared the company detail form. You are required to fill that company detail form. We will verify your company over from there, and then we will let you know whether your company is accepted or rejected. If you ask us, frankly, any student from business category, BBA, BCom, MBA, they should do internship with the company only, either where the physical presence is required, or either if the company is not allowing or the area situation is not good due to this pandemic situation and the company is giving you work from home. In any case, you must do the internship with the company only. Why? We have shared it earlier also, because when you sit for placements or for higher education, you have to showcase the practical skills which you learn only when you work with the company, right? But as this pandemic situation is going on, we are not forcing you. There is a third option also. This is called through online MOOC certification. Now, what is online MOOC certification? These are some of the courses online which are available. For this, in the description of video, I will post one video link where I will explain about MOOC certification and how to take the approval of that. Everything will be posted in the description of this video. And the option 1 and option 2 company detail form also I will post in the description of this video. Fourth option, which no student ideally should pick up, is that if you are unable to find any of the first 3 options, that is internship with the company, physical presence, internship with the company, work from home, or MOOC. If you are not able to find out any of the 3 options, then you can request us that you will do your internship next year, right? In that case, university will allow you, right, without any late fee to do your internship next year in June, July, right? Though this option is not preferable, but if you want to opt, you can do that. In the MOOC, there are some guidelines, right? In the companies, whatever the guidelines are there, we have already shared with you. For the MOOC, there are 2 major guidelines. The minimum hours which are mentioned in a course should be of 50 hours, or it is a 4-week course, right? Other details I will talk about in the MOOC video, whose link will be given in the description of this current video, right? As per the UMS announcement, if you read the important point number 2, which is very crucial, is that you are required to give any of the 4 options by 5th of May. If you are doing any of the first two options, that is internship with the company, either physical working with the company, going into the company, or through a work from home, then also you are required to fill company detail form before 5th May. Or if you are doing MOOC also, MOOC form also you are required to fill before 5th of May. Now don't wait for the last date, because let's say you fill it on 5th May and if your MOOC or the company get rejected, then very rare chance you will get to fill the form again, because by 10th we will give the data to the examination, right? So it is requested to finalize your option as soon as possible, within a day or so, and then fill the form accordingly, whichever option you like to choose upon. Go to the UMS, check for this announcement in detail, read all the guidelines, annexures and things which are attached to this form, right? Thank you for today. Do look for the description of the video for different links. Thank you. God bless you.